Add power to your blending with the Magimix Blender. Perfect for a healthier lifestyle and time-saving with its unique Blender mix technology and high-performing automatic programs, allowing you to grind, crush, liquefy and mix all the ingredients, giving you a finer blend. The ultra-quiet and powerful motor, together with stainless steel blade and cold mix technology, maintains temperature, ensuring that no nutrients are lost during the blending process. From refreshingly cold fruit smoothies to deliciously warming vegetable soups. Blend ingredients quickly and make countless recipes with ease, including powerfully crushing ice to perfectly refresh your drinks. The 1.8-litre glass jug is thermo-resistant and capable of mixing both hot and cold liquids. Mix up your routine with a dessert program and create deliciously fruity sorbets and milkshakes. The manual program lets you take control and adapt the speed as needed, enabling you to make the airiest of pancake batters, fluffies, blinis and so much more. From smoothies to protein shakes, cereal bars to energy balls, you can effortlessly prepare countless recipes at the touch of a button. And wash up with a touch of another with the Auto Clean program. The jug and blade easily disassemble and are dishwasher safe. In the box, you will also find an inspirational recipe book, in addition to the free mobile recipe app, to help get your creative juices flowing. Built better to last longer and guaranteed for 30 years. Bring your blending to the next level with Magimix.